Good evening to all my students, and today I am very happy because today the finally wait is over. What were we waiting for? For the date sheet. We knew that examination is going to start from 25th of April, but date sheet was not out. It was not released by the council for the students of class 10 and class 12 board examination. So here we have a new circular from the council signed by Chief Executive and Secretary Gary Arathun. And here is that timetable for class 10 student ICSC examination year 2022 semester 2 timetable. First paper is on April 25. Paper will start at 11 a.m. and on 25th of April first paper is English language or English paper 1, followed by very next day, that is 26th of April. Next paper is literature in English, which is English paper 2. And after 26, on Wednesday, that is 27th of April, you all have a holiday. And same again 11 a.m. you have a history and civics paper 1. Paper 1 history and paper 2 is for geography. So geography we are going to have another Thursday, that is 5th of May, geography history civics paper 2. So history civics you have on 20th of April Thursday, and next Thursday you have geography. Then followed by, if you have taken environmental studies, okay, that will be on Friday. And look here for maths paper. Your maths paper will be on May 3rd, Tuesday. So you have a very long break, a very long gap for your mathematics paper. And especially I was worried about this paper because syllabus is vast and lessons are also difficult. So this extra break is going to really help you all. And you can go through my video, okay, on maths, super tip maths, पढ़ने का सबसे सही तरीका. Here I have given you time management and how to write the paper. So see this video carefully. It will be really helpful for you because solving paper in 1.5 hours is going to be a difficult task, especially when you have a chapter like statistics, geometry, circle, coordinate geometry, etc. Sums are difficult, solution will be long. So this 1.5 hour will be very crucial. You have to solve lot of sample papers to crack this mathematics paper. And moving ahead, on Friday, May 6, you are going to have a Hindi paper. We already have discussed about a geography paper. And after Friday, you have Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Again, you have a very long gap for your physics paper. Still, we remember the day when we wrote semester 1 physics paper. That was a nightmare. So here again, after maths, we have a very long break for physics paper. And yes, we are going to use this break systematically, properly, intelligently, so that this time whatever marks we have lost in semester 1 we will make up for that. And on Thursday you have a second language. Suppose if you have taken any of these languages, you will be having that paper, or modern foreign language. Then on Friday you have a chemistry paper, and after Friday again Monday will be a biology paper. Then Wednesday, May 18th, you are going to have a group 3 papers. So this day, May 18th, Wednesday, is also important if you have taken computer applications or commercial application or technical drawing, physical education, etc. Moving ahead, on Thursday, May 19th, you are going to have a economics paper, again group 2 elective. Friday, May 20, 11 a.m. commercial studies, group 2 elective. So if you have not selected economics and commercial studies, then your examination gets over on Wednesday, that is May 18th, and you are free to enjoy your summer vacation. Not only this, board also have released a timetable for class 12 examination. So go through this timetable. I will post a PDF of this timetable in the description box, or also I will post a link of a website, our council's website, where this timetable is available. You can have a look at it. Now that council have announced the date sheet. They have given us all the dates. At the beginning I said that I am very happy to see this date sheet being announced. The reason is that now we exactly know. Now we will get a direction for our preparation. In the coming time, I am going to come up with more and more interesting video on all the subjects for class 10. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that whenever I upload interesting videos, and please go through the description box also, because in the description box I generally post the PDF related to the video. So read the description box carefully and you will get notes, sample papers and other important things in a form of a PDF in the description box. So whatever time we are left with for the board examination, let us decide कि each and every second we are going to use properly, systematically, intelligently. And when it comes for board examination, the day when we write the board examination, we are going to rock that examination. We are going to todo photo that examination and we will pass the examination with the flying colors. So here I am Praveen Sonavne. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Yo!